Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today I will be unboxing my brand new GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I have also picked up a SanDisk Extreme 64GB memory card, and I find that the SanDisk Extreme memory cards work really well on the GoPros and cameras these days. And as most people are well aware, the current range of GoPros and also modern cameras do have fairly high demands on memory cards. So there's no point getting a cheap memory card because it will not be able to keep up with your Hero 7. Let's take a closer look at the box. There's the GoPro Hero 7. It's got their gimbal-like stabilisation, and I have watched some YouTube videos on the stabilisation of these, which is really quite amazing. Here's the box, GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's got a 12 megapixel camera. It does 4K at 60 frames per second, and you can take it underwater up to 10 meters without a case. It also supports live streaming. Let's flip it over. Okay, there you go. That's what comes in the box. You've got some mounts. You've got some stick-on mounts, the frame, the camera, a battery, and a charging cable. It's got there made for iPhone and iPad. These work really well with your iPhone. And here's the back of the box. The GoPro app works really well because you can then control your GoPro from your iPhone. And there's some more specification. 12 megapixel camera, 4K 60 feet per second, underwater. It's voice activated, it's got voice control, it does slow motion, it's got GPS and live streaming and all the other stuff. Let's open the box and we'll have a closer look at it. Okay, here we are. We've got our quick start guide, how to get started with your GoPro. We've got some stickers there. You can probably give these to your kids if you've got any. And there's an instruction manual in various languages. You get your charging cable, and this cable can also be used to download the pictures and video to your computer. You've got a curved mount. Stick-on curved mount. You can stick these on a curved surface like a bicycle helmet or motorbike helmet. There's another stick-on mount, which is a flat mount. Comes complete with the cage. It's got the Hero 7 Black logo on the back and also the mounting bracket that mounts onto these mounting brackets, as well as various other mounting brackets. You've got a battery, GoPro battery, and here's your GoPro Hero 7 Black. Now the good thing about this is, it's actually one of the very first GoPro Hero 7 Blacks that's actually black. Okay, and it's also got the Black 7 logo on the side there, and I still haven't taken the sticker off the back. Okay, dimension-wise, it's pretty much identical to the Hero 5 and 6, but it does have a lot more technology built in, and especially the stabilisation. I will be filming some sample video and posting it up at the end of this video, just so you can have a look at what sort of quality video this records. Now, I will be making some more GoPro videos, and I've also got some more GoPro unboxings coming up, and I will be doing some what's in my camera bag videos and also my GoPro accessories videos. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment down below, and I generally respond to all comments. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Okay, let's try it out, walking up the driveway. See how stable it actually turns out to be.